Let's check in with Mary Lee now on the forecast.
All right, thanks, Jacqueline. Boy, it's a Monday. Well, let's show you some of our live cams out there because it is just beautiful as we kick off the work week here. A live look with our Sutro cam. Love those golden colors in the sky. Our sunrise coming in at 6:59 a.m. You can see patchy low clouds and fog out there. Really pretty sight. And now here's our Salesforce tower camera of those golden colors there. So really pretty overlooking the Bay Bridge. So currently temperatures are in the low to mid 50s as we start off the day in many locations across the Bay Area. In Concord, 51, Oakland, 55, 50 in Livermore, 52 in San Francisco, San Jose, 54, and 44 for a temperature this morning in Santa Rosa. So here's what you can expect. Again, starting off the day with areas of low clouds and fog along the coast and parts of the Bay. We'll see that sunshine as we head through the afternoon. Warm conditions heating up, especially by the middle part of the week, and then cooling down by the weekend. So here's the reason why. The satellite and radar view. High pressure in place here, and with that clockwise flow around that ridge of high pressure, we'll see northerly to northeasterly winds. That is a dry offshore wind, and that will help to heat us up. So today, the start of a warming trend for us, and we're looking at temps climbing to the upper 90s by the middle part of the week, thanks to those dry offshore winds for us. If you're heading out to the Giants game, we are looking at a really pleasant, at least game day. So for that first pitch against the San Diego Padres, mostly clear skies and cool conditions, right around 63 for that first pitch there, and hoping for a big win with our Giants. Our temperatures as we head through the afternoon. 70 in San Francisco, and that's right around where we should be for this time of year. 75 in Oakland, 81 in Redwood City, 79 in Mountain View. We're looking at highs in the North Bay, right around 88 in Santa Rosa, 84 in Napa, and looking at it for our inland locations in the low 90s, 91 in Concord and 93 for a high in Fairfield. So here's a 7-day forecast and what you can expect. Warming up even more for tomorrow thanks to that strong ridge of high pressure building in for us. Mid 90s inland for tomorrow. Looking at temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s for the Bay, and even for the coast, plenty of sunshine and warm in the low 70s. We heat up even more for Wednesday. Looks like the hottest day out of our 7-day forecast, especially for inland locations. Upper 90s by Wednesday, low to mid 80s for the Bay, and low 70s and sunny along the coast. Still warm for Thursday, a little bit cooler on Friday, and then cooling things down by a lot for the weekend.